In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Squarespace templates. Let's dive in with some simple but comprehensive steps that you can follow. First off, let's head over to the Squarespace website. You can open up your web browser and type in the URL. Once you're there, it's time to click on that inviting Get Started button. This is your first step into the world of designing on Squarespace, and it's a simple click away. Now, you'll be greeted with a series of questions. These questions might inquire about the purpose of your website, like whether it's for a portfolio, a business, or perhaps a blog. Answer these questions as accurately as possible, because they'll help Squarespace tailor the experience to your needs. Consider how each choice will reflect your brand or personal identity. With that done, you'll be given the option to either choose a pre-made template or use AI to build one for you. This is a great opportunity to think about what style suits your project best. Squarespace offers a wide range of beautiful templates. If you're unsure or want to explore different styles, the AI option might give you some unique combinations based on your preferences. Once you make your choice, your site will be created. This is where the fun part begins, because now you'll customize your site to make it truly yours. Squarespace makes it easy to adjust themes, fonts, colors, and even button styles to match your vision. You can also add forms if you need them for contact pages or newsletters, and take the time to explore these features. It's often the little details that make a website stand out, so feel free to experiment. Don't worry too much about getting everything perfect right away. You can always come back and make changes. As you work on personalizing your site, take a moment every now and then to see how the pages are shaping up. Previewing your work can provide new insights and ensure everything looks just as you envisioned. This process is all about refining and redefining until every part of the website feels right. Finally, with all your hard work paying off, don't forget to click Save once you're satisfied with your template and customizations. This will ensure that all your changes are securely stored and implemented. You don't want to lose any progress, so making a habit of saving frequently is a good idea. And there you have it. With these steps, you've not only set up a Squarespace template, but have begun to personalize it to fit your exact needs. This process is intuitive, and with a little bit of creativity, you can make a striking website in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!